Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another amazing video on the channel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to make money selling one-page websites. In this video I'm going to cover what one-page websites are, and I'm going to show you how you can create them and how you can go ahead to make a lot of money from selling one-page websites. So if this is a video that you like, do make sure to like the video, make sure to comment down below, and also make sure to share the video so that other people can get this information for themselves. With that being said, let's jump straight into the video. So what exactly is a one-page website, and why should you even bother about it? Are people really interested in it, and can you really make money selling one-page websites? The answer to all those questions is yes. So what is a one-page website? A one-page website is a website that contains all your content on one page. So with a standard website, you may have different content on different pages. Let's say you sell a product or you sell a bunch of products. You might have a website that has all those different products on different pages, right? But with a one-page website, you have all those content on one particular page. And a one-page website actually has more benefits, which I'm going to talk about as we proceed into the video. So why exactly do you need a one-page website? The first reason why you need a one-page website is that a one-page website is a one-stop shop for all your products and services. This simply means that if you have 10 or 20 or 50 products, right, you can have all your products simply on one page, and then using just one link, when you send it to your customers or clients, they can simply choose what they want to make payment for, and they can go ahead to buy it. So the old way of doing this was to have a full stack website where you have different landing pages, different sales pages for different products, different checkout pages, and all those kind of things. And there was not one place for a business owner to have all their products. Even people that sold on, let's say, WhatsApp, for example, if they created a catalog, right, or a catalog, sorry, if they created a catalog of their products, right, people need to actually have their WhatsApp number, and then they now have to keep on going through each of the products individually to now choose what they want to buy. And most people do not like that. They want a system whereby you just send a prospect or a client a link, and they can just choose what they want and go ahead to make payment for it. So that is the first advantage of having a one-page website. The second thing is that a one-page website contains your contact details. So if you are using WhatsApp to sell, you cannot have all your contact details on one WhatsApp page. But if you have a one-page website, you can have all your contact details on the different social media platforms where you are, and people can simply contact you using any of those links on your one-page website. The next reason why you need to have a one-page website is it helps you to build your email list. So if you're using a good one-page website, there is a section of the website where you can simply have a place for people to give their email addresses. So in this way, you are actually growing your email list, right? You're growing your email list without extra effort. So normally you may have a different page that is dedicated to collecting email subscribers, but if you have a one-page website, you can have your emails form on that page and simply collect emails using your one-page website. Another benefit of having a one-page website is it helps you showcase your best content. So if you have a lot of great content, let's say you've created great carousels on Instagram, or you've created very good videos like this one on YouTube, and you want your customers to be able to see those products, videos that you've created, or those images and carousel, or even a caption, right, that you've created, you can simply showcase all of this on your one-page website, and your clients get to that page, they go through your content, and they see that you're actually good at what you do, and they go ahead to patronize you. And then the next thing that a one-page website does is it helps you elevate your status. There's this idea that if you have a website, right, you stand out among a bunch of other people. If you go for a meeting, for example, or anywhere you even go, in fact, and you are able to show that you have a website, it elevates your status in the eyes of people. People see you differently than someone who doesn't have a website. So having a website immediately stands you out, and it doesn't matter whether you have a very bogus website or you have a one-page website. The fact that you have a website gives you an advantage in any room that you enter, and it's a good way of introducing yourself. You can have your website on your business card, or even as a contact if people say they want to reach out to you, you simply just give them your website link. Literally everybody nowadays has a mobile phone, so if you give them your website link, they can simply use that as one place to contact you, to check out what you do, to check out all your products and your services, just from one link. So having a one-page website is an essential thing that every business owner should have in their arsenal. Now, there are different ways to build a website, right? I'm going to cover some of the conventional ways to build a website and talk about them. The oldest way of building a website, for those who are not very tech savvy or those who don't even know how website creation works, is to hire a developer to build one for you. Now, when you hire a developer, right, it has its pros and cons. The first pro of hiring a developer is that you get, more expert or specialized work, meaning that, a developer that knows what he's doing can actually make anything happen on the website. He can make words fly, he can make images to be jumping up and down, all those kind of fancy stuff. You can literally code anything that you want on your website. But the other part of having a developer working for you is that developers are very, very expensive. The good ones do not come cheap at all. And also, you run the risk of not knowing how to actually manage your website by yourself. Let's say tomorrow you wanted to make a small change on your website. You wanted to change the color of something or change a new link, right? If you don't have access to that developer, you would have to pay a new one. Or even if you wanted to use the same developer, right? Some of them will still charge you money just for making those small changes on your website. And another thing is that they can actually hold you ransom. Let's say they have access to your login details or anything. They can go into your website and make changes that you have no control over. So that's the thing with hiring a developer, right? It works for some people, but for others it might not be the best solution for them, especially if you don't have a lot of money starting out and you simply just want a simple, easy to create, easy to use website that people can visit and something that you can actually modify. You can go in and change things in the future. The next best option is building a website using WordPress. Now, WordPress is one of the most popular options for building a website in the entire world. But the thing with using WordPress is that it requires specialized knowledge. You need to know things like being able to buy a domain name. You need to know how to buy a hosting plan. You need to know how to connect your name, that's the domain name that you've bought. You need to know how to connect it to your hosting plan. And then you also need to know other things when it comes to WordPress. You need to know how to install WordPress on this hosting that you have bought, right? You need to know how to connect it. You need to know how to install plugins. You need to know how to change themes. So there are a lot of other complex things that comes into using a WordPress website. So using a WordPress website is actually good. The level of customization is a lot, but for the average business owner who just has a few products to showcase, or just wants to build an email list, or just wants somewhere where they can display their contact details, having a WordPress website might not be the option for them. And also, compared to the price, as we're going to see, having a WordPress website is not that cheap, right? It's cheaper than hiring a developer, yes, but it's not as cheap compared to having a one-page website. And I'm saying this in regards to people that just need something simple. Like I said, a place to showcase your products, somewhere to showcase your contact details, and somewhere to showcase maybe your best content. All right. The next option after this is using a landing page builder. Now, there are landing page builders out there that kind of like do a simplified work of what WordPress will have done for you. So with these landing page builders, you're not touching any code, right? You're not paying a developer very expensive fees. You're not touching any code. Most of them are actually drag and drop, and you just sign up and you're able to create your website. But then the cons with using a landing page builder is that most of them can get very, very expensive, right? Most of them charge you monthly, and if you do not pay monthly, you would not have access to using that particular landing page builder. Another thing is that using this landing page builder, sometimes there are some customized things that you might want to do that you would not be able to do because they have already been set in stone inside that landing page builder. But the main thing actually which bothers a lot of people is the price. What if you go on for you take a break from actually using that website actively? You are still going to have to keep paying for that particular website, and that's why a lot of people run away from using a landing page builder. There are a lot of options out there, but people run away from them because of the level of customization and then those monthly payments, right? Those monthly payments can really begin to stack up when using a landing page builder. And then the final option is building a one-page website. So a one-page website combines all the good aspects of these different ways of building a website and makes everything better. A one-page website is the fastest way to create your website. You can literally start a website and you can finish it up in under 1 hour. That's right, guys. You can actually create a website and finish it up in less than 1 hour. From start to finish, you can finish your one-page website. That's the first advantage of having a one-page website. The next thing a one-page website does for you is that it's perfect for product-based businesses. If you are a business that just has products to showcase, a one-page website is what you should go for. There is really no need for you to hire very expensive developers that are going to charge you very high fees. You can actually get started using a one-page website if you just have products that you want to sell quickly. The next thing is that you do not require any coding skills to use a one-page website. Most of them are drag and drop, and you do not require any coding skills. You do not need to know how to use HTML or CSS in order to create a one-page website. And another advantage of having a one-page website is you can put unlimited number of products and services. So whether you have 10, 20, 100, 200, 500 products that you want to sell, you can have all of them on your one-page website, and they are very easy to edit. It's just a matter of putting some few things in place, and literally anybody can do it. Anybody, as far as you are able to use a device like the one in your hand right now, trust me, you can create a one-page website and edit it completely without any help. The next thing about a one-page website is that you can edit it. Okay, I just said that, right? You can edit your one-page website, but just using one button click, right? Just one button that you press, you have access to edit literally anything on your one-page website. Another thing I didn't add here is that using a one-page website, you can actually install the Facebook pixel, and this is super powerful because if you have products to sell, you want to track people that visit your one-page website, and you want to track how they are actually making payments. If you're running conversion adverts, that is a very important feature that you need to have. So a one-page website allows you to install the Facebook pixel without complex processes. All right, how cool is that? And last but not the least, the one-page website has no monthly payments. At least the one I'm going to show you, right? There are no monthly payments involved. You only pay once for this one-page website, and you have the website for life. That's right, guys, for life. The website is yours for life. After you pay for it once, you can literally do anything that you want to do with it. You can come back a year from now, 2 years from now, and your website is still up and running. So these are all the very important features that having a one-page website can do for you. So here are the steps to actually making money using a one-page website. I've showed you what a one-page website is about, but there are actual steps that you need to follow in order to make money selling one-page websites, right? The first step is to actually sign up for this one-page website service. So you sign up, and then you create your account, and then you make your one-time payment. Then you go ahead and create this website in less than 24 hours. In fact, 24 hours is a huge exaggeration. Seeing that you can actually create this website in less than an hour, you can get as many projects as possible, and you can even create as many as 10 to even 20 websites in a single day and deliver all of them for money. The next thing is to deliver this website that you have created to your clients and simply collect your pay. And after that, it's just a case of rinsing and repeating. The more you create the websites, the more you sell them, the more money that you make for yourself. How cool is that? So if you want to learn how to create this one-page website and how to actually make money selling them, I've actually created a link right there that's going to take you to a new course that I've created that's going to show you how to actually create this one-page website. And listen, it's very simple, very easy, very insightful, very detailed, and straight to the point. There's no fluff involved. To show you how to create this one-page website and how to actually sell them to make money. So what exactly are you going to learn when you click on this link? The first thing you're going to learn is that you're going to actually watch me build a one-page website from start to finish in less than 30 minutes. That's right, you're going to see me log in. I'm going to create the website from start to finish in less than 30 minutes. You're going to see me create every single thing. You're going to see me upload the images, upload the content, upload the links. Literally every single thing is going to take less than 30 minutes to do. The next thing you're going to see is I'm going to show you, you're going to watch me actually sell this website service to a client. So I'll show you how to actually go about selling this one-page website services to clients. After that, you're going to watch me deliver the website. You see how to actually deliver the websites if you have actually created them. Once you're done creating them, how to actually deliver these websites, and then you're going to learn how to do this multiple times and make more money. So if this is something that interests you, the guide is very, very easy to afford. Literally anybody watching this video can afford it, and it's created like that for a reason, so that you can actually get in and get started with it and actually start making money for yourself. So make sure to click the link below this video in order to access that guide. And depending on when you're watching this video, it might be on pre-order, it might be available for purchase, but depending on whenever you are seeing this video, you can get that guide using the first link down below. So if you enjoyed this video and you really want to see more videos like this, do make sure to like the video, make sure to comment down below, and also share the video so more people can see the video as well. If you haven't subscribed already, and if you haven't turned on the notification bell, now would be a great time to actually go ahead and do that. Click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you get notified once I upload the next video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.